Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to my channel Learning Corner. In today's lesson, we are going to learn numbers from 20 till 90. Numbers which are known as tens. We are going to learn the Arabic form of these numbers. So numbers like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 till 90. What are they called? How they are pronounced? How we are going to construct these numbers and how to write these numbers in a proper manner. Before starting today's lesson, here is a quick review of numbers from 1 till 10. Numbers from 1 till 10, or we may call them unit numbers. These numbers provide a good foundation in creating and constructing the tens or asharat. I have uploaded a detailed video on unit numbers in Arabic. So if you want to develop a better understanding, you may pause this video here and go check that video. That will help you inshallah in developing the understanding of numbers. Link is in the description below. After you have watched the video, which has a detailed description of numbers from 1 till 10, I believe you are now ready to learn numbers which are called tens or which are called asharat in Arabic. So without further ado, let's begin our today's lesson. Here is a formula of learning numbers which are called tens or asharat. What we have to do, we just need to learn numbers which are called unit numbers from 1 till 10, and we have to add una at the end of these numbers. Thus we can have tens or asharat. So for instance, if a unit number is thalath, we add una at the end, it turns out thalathun, and this is tens of Arabic. Let's create numbers from 20 till 90 by using the previous formula. So these are unit numbers: ashrun, thalathun, arba'un, khamsun. So ashrun is 10, thalath is 3, arba' is 4, and khams is 5. So given the formula, what we have to do, we just have to remove the tanween which creates a noon sound, and we just have to add una at the end. So you will see that by just using this formula, we will get tens or ashara. So ashrun is 10, we add una, it becomes ashruna. There is a slight difference. The zabar of hain changed into kasra. So ashrun, after being added una at the end, it became ashruna. So ashrun is 10 and ashruna is 20. Then we add thalathun and we add una at the end, we get thalathuna. So thalath is 3. After adding una, it became thalathun, 30. Then we have arba'un. We added una at the end and we get arba'una. So arba'un is 4 and arba'una is 40. Then we have khamsun. Khamsun is 5. We added una at the end. It became khamsuna. From khamsun, it became khamsuna. So khamsun is 5 and khamsuna is 50. Then we have numbers from 6 till 9. So sittun is 6, sab'un 7, thamanin 8, tis'un 9. So by using the formula and adding una at the end, we can get tens or asharat. So sittun, we added una at the end, we get sittuna. Sittun 6, sittuna 60. Sab'un, we added una, we get sab'una. So sab'un is 7 and sab'una is 70. ثمان, we added una at the end, we get ثمانون. ثمان, 8. ثمانون, 80. تسع, 9, we add una at the end and we get تسعون. So these numbers are asharat or tens in Arabic. Here is a review. عشرون, 20. ثلاثون, 30. أربعون, 40. خمسون, 50. ستون, 60. سبعون, 70. ثمانون, 80. تسعون, 90. You can now test your knowledge. So, here is a question. How do you say these numbers in Arabic? 20, 40, 70 and 80. Okay, so 20, you call it عشرون. Great. What about 40? Yes, great. We call أربعون. What about 70? Yes, think. Great, it is سبعون. And what about 80? Think. Yes, great, it is ثمانون. So I hope you have learned in today's lesson a new set of numbers which are called asharat or tens in Arabic. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have learned something new, kindly do share it with others. I will be back with a new video. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.